Coventry Building Society Arena, home football ground of Coventry City Football Club, and we are staying in the Doubletree by Hilton. And the last time we stayed in the Doubletree was in America. It's just a type of hotel. So you've got your car park, and then right here you got signs for Doubletree reception. And that's car park A and B. What? So that's where you pay for your car park. But if you do it through Doubletree, just give Doubletree your registration. Jimmy Hill, outside the football arena. You got a casino. You got a little restaurant. And then we're heading into the Doubletree Hotel. And then that side you got your arena. Welcome to the lobby. Cookies. So we got complimentary cookies as well. Do you need the card though?
Maybe. Oh.
What number are we? 252. Big, isn't it? Lots of rooms.
Yeah, because there's a people dog.
Oh.
Found our door.
We are definitely too late.
Oh, right at the end. That's cool.
Yeah. We've been at the end once, haven't we? Oh. I thought that.
Whoa.
Oh,
Are you in? Whoa, look at this. Look at all this room to do activities.
So many activities!
Some practice, isn't it?
Practice?
I call this room
Guess what I reckon this room's good for?
hoverboards.
Segways, yeah. Did you bring them? Did you bring them?
Yeah,
How'd you know?
because in the car.
Oh. Right,
Welcome in. Where's Mum?
welcome in.
Welcome in, Mum.
So,
Mum.
welcome to the Doubletree Hilton, and we are at Coventry Arena, and this is a deluxe room, 2 queen beds. And as I said, we are in Coventry. We're at the Coventry Arena, formerly known as the Richo Arena, was it?
Yeah.
Tell Dad to come in the bathroom.
Really? Watch this, guys.
Home of Coventry City Football Club and Exhibition Centre, which is where we should be having the 3 degrees comp, but it's moved. We're just going to check out the bathroom. So you got scared me. And this is our lovely room. As I said before, lots of space for activities.
Guys,
Yeah?
just to let you know, if you're in the shower and you shuttered it,
Yeah.
use one palm there and hold the handle there.
Cool.
And then it'll easily open, because
Okay.
if you just do that, it won't open.
Cool.
Oh,
So as you walk in,
yay!
pop your key in, turn the electrics on. Got a switch that operates your bathroom,
Not in the shower.
and then switches that operate in here. Then you've got some nice tall wardrobes, lots of hanging space, some hangers, towels, safe, and then this section you got towels, ironing board, kettle, hairdryer, and then some cupboard space. You've got 2 queen beds with a phone, a couple of complimentary cookies.
Really?
Then you got your nice long-standing mirror, aircon, which is there. Okay.
Oh, did you see it?
Little light, TV, and these are your beds. Are they firm or soft, Lil?
Yeah.
Which one? I gave you 2 options.
Oh, what did you say?
Is it firm or soft? Yeah.
Soft.
Is it firm or soft, guys? Yeah. Is it firm or soft? Yeah. Ooh, that's cool. Look at this. Little reading light.
It's soft.
That's cool. So yeah, you've got 2 plugs.
You got a lily.
You got 2 more plugs.
I saw that bed.
And you got 2 more plugs. So you got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plugs. So you got bathroom. So you got a little makeup light, sink, couple of glasses, mirror. Then you got some shampoos and flannels. And complimentary heated towel rail. That's pretty cool. And you've got a shower, so no bath, just a shower. I think we're over there actually. Yeah, we're over in that car park over there. So we walk down here.
Guys!
Yeah.
Everyone listening, Lils and the Cousins.
But yeah, this
I did a seal. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.